Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is our beloved hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that the direction of the market is not very clear for day traders. For swing traders or position traders, the market sentiment is still bullish. There is no doubt about it. But if you're a day trader, if you prefer to trade from level to level, then obviously the chart is not very clean. Market was extremely bullish. Couple of days ago, it made a high of 2685. Then we got to see some consolidation on the chart of gold around this area. Then gold came around to 2600 and we got a trend reversal. And at this moment, right now, we can see that gold is trading here and we do not have a clear trend present. And yes, it looks like a head and shoulder pattern, not a beautiful head and shoulder pattern, but yes, we can see that it resembles a head and shoulder pattern. Okay. In my 12 years journey, I have no shame in telling that I have not made a single penny in head and shoulder pattern. I don't know, it never worked for me. So obviously I'm not planning to trade this head and shoulder pattern also. But if you have experience, if you have a good hold over these patterns, then obviously you can try. Okay, but swing traders, position traders, if you have any ongoing buy, you can continue because the overall market sentiment is still bullish. Why? Let me show you. So gold steady supported by geopolitical tensions in Asia. Gold is steady in the early Asian session supported by geopolitical tensions in the region. China on Monday carried out a day of around-the-clock drills around Taiwan, sending a record number of military aircrafts and saying it for the first time that it had deployed its Coast Guard to encircle the island. So this is a new development in the geopolitics. We have another geopolitical tension going on between North Korea and South Korea. And obviously the tension in the middle is still going on. Overall, the world is not passing through a good time. So any news will make gold fly again. So if you have any positional buy on gold, you need to continue because as long as gold is trading above 2600, listen to me carefully. As long as gold is trading above 2600, you can continue with your buy position as a positional trader. And if you're a day trader, then obviously, okay, you can look for level to level trading. But in my previous videos also, I have mentioned that whenever we get a trending market, okay, it's better to sit on a buy position. Especially, we need to look for a buyer retracement and you need to sit on it. Okay, that is a better trading strategy. You can make more profit, okay, and the headache is also less. So those who have ongoing buy, you can continue as long as market is trading about 2600. If you have a sell, okay, listen to me carefully. If you have a sell position on gold, try to exit above this particular high. Okay, try to exit above 2655 because if gold breaks 2655, okay, you will be in trouble and it's better to exit. Clear? And during the day, okay, because of this head and shoulder pattern like Pushpa, okay, we can okay, not we can, I won't do it. Okay, but if you see that the market is forming suddenly big red candles here, then if you want, then you can look for a sell position if you see market is being accompanied by big red candles. Okay, but personally I am not going to advise anyone because on the pattern, okay, that I'm not going to trade or I have not made any money till date, okay, I do not want to suggest it to others. So where are the trading opportunities then? So my dear friends, you can see that I have already drawn lines on the chart. So let's discuss one by one. So the first support on the chart of gold is around 2628 area. Around 2628 area, we have the first support. Why? Let me show you. Okay. 2628. Yeah. We have the FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Okay. So we are expecting that 61.8 will provide support to the market, and overall the FIBO levels have been doing a good job. So we are expecting as a day trader to around 2628 we will be able to see some good bounce. But before 2628 we also have support around 2639 area as well. 2639 to 2636. Around this area also we can expect the first support. Why? Because FIBO was there, FIBO 50% retracement level. Moreover, you can see the previous support was there, means market has bounced from this area. So 263936 and 2628, these are the two levels where we can look for a good bounce on the chart of gold as a day trader. If you're a swing trader also, if you're looking for fresh position in the market, if you see gold taking support around this area, you can look for a buy. And if you already have a buy, you can continue because the market sentiment is still bullish. And there is no fundamental news yet, okay, that will bring a complete trend reversal. Gold has been crazy bullish for a long time, so for a proper trend reversal we need a huge fundamental factor, and we don't have yet. Okay, so these are the levels where you can look for a buy during the day. And in case of an accident, okay, obviously 2600 is still present on the chart, but 2600 is far away from the current market price, so let's not waste time over it. Okay. And now we can see that gold is trying to take support around the previous level of 264441 area. If gold goes up from here, okay, then we can also look for a buy above 2654. But as I have already mentioned and always mentioned, that buy at retracement is always safer. But if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we cannot help it. So during the European session, US session, if we see gold going above 2654, then we can also look for a buy above it. But follow proper risk management, because at this moment the trend of the market is not clear. And if you're a day trader, then obviously you do not have big stop losses, so I can understand the problem. So be careful. If you go for a buy at 2654 area, keep your stop loss around 264849. If you see the market has hit the stop loss, take the loss. Okay, but follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 1 to 2% of the capital, because the loss is part of the game. But if you are losing 10%, 50% of the capital on a single trade, then the problem is not with the trade, it's with the risk management. Okay, and obviously taking a sell at previous high is not a very wise thing right now, because the market structure is still bullish. Means market is forming higher highs and higher lows. Not higher lows, but higher highs. So here what we can do is, okay, we can look for a sell around 267074 area as a day trader or as a scalper. If you have some good scalping skills, you can look for quick entry and exit or quick sell around 267074 area. But do not think that market will reverse from 2670 and market will continue the downtrend. No, market sentiment is bullish. We may get a temporary retracement. Means we may get a temporary retracement around this area, but eventually market will continue the upside. Okay, so if you go for a sell also, you can expect a profit of 50 to 60 pips. After that, just see how is the market doing. If the sell is selling pressure is there, then you can continue. But if you see that market is bullish, just because there is resistance, market is okay, just showing price rejection from above, then exit immediately. Because the market sentiment is above all. We have a notion that there is a resistance, means market will come down. There is a support, market will bounce. No, levels are not permanent. Market sentiment decides whether market will be respecting the support or not. For example, okay, if a market is an uptrend, see, this is a very useful thing. Okay, it will be very helpful for it. For example, if a market is an uptrend, means who is dominating, or buyers are dominating, isn't it? So market is an uptrend, buyers are dominating. So in this type of situation, every support works. Whether it's a support from the moving averages, whether it's a support from the previous resistance becoming support, every support works because buyers are dominating, and support means buyers. Okay, but as buyers are dominating, but resistances are very weak. So whenever you look for a buy as support in an uptrend market, okay, you always get a better price. Okay, you are at a safer place, safer position. Similarly, if a market is in downtrend, okay, if a market is in downtrend, sellers are dominating. So sellers are the majority, so every resistance works, and the supports are very weak. So here also, okay, the market sentiment is bullish. So around 267074 area, we can look for a quick sell. But do not expect that there will be a trend reversal, because for a trend reversal, we do not have any fundamental factors here. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Love you guys. All the best. Follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard earned money.